Wednesday, there was a massive shooting in Florida. The shooter was a 19-year-old named Nikolas Cruz. He killed 17 people with a semi-automatic AR-15. This shooting is one of the most deadliest in modern American history. Wednesday, at a school in Florida, there was a massive shooting that killed 17 people. The shooter, Nikolas Cruz, had killed 17 people. He came to the school at 2:19 with a drive from an Uber. He came to school with a black duffel bag and a black backpack. In the bags, he had hidden loaded magazines for his rifle. He pulled out the rifle when he entered the high school building. He shot people in the hallways and 5 rooms on the first 2 floors of the freshman building. Soon, he got rid of the guns and his vest at a stairwell in the building. After discarding everything, he fled with other students, and this is how he got away from the police. After the shooting, he went to Walmart, Subway, and the McDonald's. While he was walking down a residential street at 3:41 p.m., he was arrested by police without incident. His public defender told the media that Mr. Cruz is aware of his circumstances and that he is a broken human being. Mr. Cruz appeared before a court on Thursday, and when asked if he knew what he was about to go through, he whispered, "Yes, ma'am." President Trump stated after the shooting that he would make school safety a top priority when he met with a government board next month. To conclude, Wednesday there was a massive school shooting at Florida that killed 17 people. Nikolas Cruz came to school with an AR-15 and loaded magazines. He fled with other students, so he blended in when he was fleeing. Later, he was arrested while walking down a residential street by police. The shooting sparked talking and action by President Trump. Here is my works cited. The authors were Julie Turkowitz, Patricia Mazzy, and Audra Birch. I accessed the website at 2/15/2018. The title was Florida Shooting. Nikolas Cruz confessed to police that he began school shootings in the hallways. And here is my source, the New York Times.